Are you looking for a dryer that can handle your laundry with ease? Join us as we dive into the best tumble dryers of 2024. From high-capacity models to energy-efficient options, we've got you covered. Let's find the perfect dryer for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Whirlpool W6 D94WR UK. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a user-friendly, energy-efficient, and gentle tumble dryer. Unlike some high-tech models, it doesn't come with a companion app, but all its settings are easily accessible via the front control panel. You can choose cycles using the central dial with programs for specific garments like wool, duvets, and jeans. Additional features include gentle for reduced drying temperatures and anti-tangle to prevent clothes from twisting. The Fresh Care Plus option keeps clothes fresh after the cycle by passing air over them. The machine's 9-kilogram drum is designed to handle large loads efficiently, though it lacks an interior light. Rated A++, the Whirlpool W6 D94WR UK is incredibly economical, with the Eco Cycle costing just 26 pence, and the refresh option only 1 pence to run. Number 2. Sharp KD-NHH9S7GW2-EN. It offers great value for those who don't tumble dry often but need a large 9-kilogram capacity. While it's not a smart dryer, all functions are controlled via a program dial on the front. However, the controls can be a bit tricky. If you turn the dial past the off position, the machine shuts down, which may take some getting used to. Despite this quirk, it offers all the essential drying cycles. Although the running costs are slightly higher compared to other models, its A++ energy rating is still solid. We also found that it stops drying before over-drying clothes, which is a plus. Overall, for its low price, it's a good option for budget-conscious households. Number 3. AEGT 9DEB969C. This is a standout option for those seeking a premium tumble dryer. Sleek and packed with advanced technology, it excels in garment care with features like flat drying for wool and a fine humidity sensor to stop drying exactly when clothes are dry. This dryer is compatible with the AEG app, offering extra cycles and even recommending drying programs if paired with an AEG smart washing machine. Performance is top-notch, with the lowest running costs of any model we've tested. It dries clothes efficiently without over-drying, preserving fabric quality. While it's on the expensive side, its smart features and excellent garment care make it worth considering if you're looking for the best. Number 4. Hotpoint NT M11 9X3 UK. It may not be the flashiest tumble dryer, but it excels at the essentials with some of the lowest running costs we've seen. Controlled via a front dial, it offers programs for common garments and even options for silk, wool, and cuddly toys. Though it lacks advanced features like anti-tangle or auto filter cleaning, it's highly efficient. Using sensor drying, it stops when clothes are dry, though it sometimes removes too much moisture. In our tests, a cupboard dry run on a 5-kilogram load cost just 27 pence, while the hanging dry option, removing 98.42% of water, cost just 18 pence. With fantastic energy efficiency, the Hotpoint NT M11 9X3 UK is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable no-fuss dryer for daily use. So, which dryer is the best of the bunch? After careful consideration, we've chosen the Whirlpool W6 D94WR UK as our top pick. Its combination of performance, features, and reliability makes it an excellent choice for most households. But remember, the best dryer is the one that suits your specific needs and budget. Happy drying!